Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So this operation may seem quite easy, but in this device unfortunately it is not in the most predicted section. So if you want to have the percentage inside the battery icon, for example, or next to the battery icon, not only the battery indicator, then we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to find notifications and control center, and I know that usually you'll try to find it in the battery section, but we have to enter the notifications and the control center. Then let's tap on the status bar, and here, as you can see, we've got the battery indicator. So after tapping on it, you can see that you've got 3 different options. Probably you've got this option applied, so only the indicator. You can set the percentage inside the battery icon, just like I have, or next to the battery icon. It's of course up to you. So basically that's all. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.